Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to insert captions in Microsoft Word, and the version of Word I have in front of me is the Office 365 version. Now, let's say you're doing some essay writing, you're doing an article, you're writing a thesis, a dissertation or something, and you have diagrams in there, tables, pictures, images that you've used. Any form of diagram, and you want to put a label or a caption on it. There's a great feature in Microsoft Word which allows you to do that. And now the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to, obviously in my Word document here, I've got my title, how to insert captions in Microsoft Word, which is the title of this video. Before I continue, please subscribe to this channel, please like this video, please share this video out. If you find it useful, please leave a comment in the comments box. I will appreciate that as well. So first and foremost, I'm going to add a table to my Word document here. So I'm going to go at the top, the ribbon here, go to insert, go to table there. Now I'm going to add a table there. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you for the purpose of this video how to add a caption to this table. It's irrelevant what's in this table. Let's do title there. So you want to collect people's names, I guess. And let's say you're doing a census task or something, and you want to collect people's names and addresses. However, now what we're going to do, we're going to add a caption to this table here. So what we do, go to the top here, go to references. So you scroll across from home, go to, or insert, go to references, then you scroll across to where it says captions here, and you choose insert caption. You can see the insert caption option there. Click on that. Now it will open up this pop-up box here. Now this is the table we want to add this caption to. So obviously in the label options part, in the drop down, you choose either, you got three options to be fair. You got an equation, you got a figure. Could include a figure as in a diagram or an image or a picture or something, and then you got the last one there which is called table. So that's table, and you can write customize your caption there. So this is table 1. I'll call it census information or something, or no, actually better yet, I'm going to call it census collection. So that's where I'm going to be collecting my information. So you've got some more options here at the bottom. So above selected item, let's click on that, and there we have, it will just add a, there we go, I'll put it, no, actually I'll leave it like that. So obviously this is the title of the table 1, census collection, then it goes off into the, I don't know what's happened here. Let me delete that cell. There we go. So I've got my caption, and I've got my title, surname, forename, address. Now if I want my caption to be obviously below the table, which it normally is, you can delete that, I think, or you can put it, I don't think we'll add it to be fair. Yeah, I thought so. So what we need to do is go here, insert caption again, choose a table again. Census collection, click on OK, and there we go. That's my caption for my table. I can put that in the center. There we go. Put it on the right side, put it on the left side, wherever you want it. I like it on the right side. That's my caption for my table. And you can carry on, double click on where you want to go, and then you can carry on. So let's say now I want to add a symbol or a diagram or something. Go to insert. You can go to smart art. So I go to smart art there, choose the kind of art I need. So this can be my figure 1, regardless of what's in it. I'm just showing you for the purpose of this video what to do. Let me change the color here, and again you can do the same thing. So after this smart art, go to references again, click on insert option, caption, and in there we can do figure 1. I don't know what the figure is, so you can choose here, you want it above or below. Actually, that's what I should have done on my table, to be fair. Click on that, and there we have it. Look, it's added the figure 1 there. You can change that figure. You can add whatever you want. something. So there you have it. So that's that. So obviously, let's go back to the table. Let's delete the caption again. Highlight the table. I should have done this right at the start. Click on references, go to insert captions, and choose where you want that figure to go. So this is table, so I'm going to choose table above the selected item or below the selected item. I want it below the selected item. I should have done this. Collection. Click on OK. And now you can change the alignment of that caption, so I want it right aligned there. So that's a quick and easy video showing you how to insert captions in Microsoft Word, how to add captions to a table, how to add captions to a specific figure, and obviously you can use this method to add a caption or a label to a image or a picture you've got from the internet. Please like this video. I hope this video has helped you, by the way. Please comment below. If you've got any requests for other videos you want me to do, please comment, leave me a comment or an email, and I'll hopefully help do those videos and share those with you in due course. Please like, subscribe and share.